All right, y'all. Wow. All right, back at it again with the box for May. You already know what's up, what's good. I'm Taryn. Here we go with another video and see what's inside. Yeah, here we go. This time I'm coming to you live from my dining room, by the way, in case you were wondering. So first of all, upon opening the box, it smells so good, and I don't really understand why, but I guess it's because of all of the products, but it smells good. All right, so our usual, our little card. This one says, take a break. This one says your ultimate beauty staycation, and it gives you like things to do. But number 1 is like petty please, 2 is drink it in, 3 is make some moves, 4 is go skin deep, and 5 is aloha your hair. I'm not reading all of those and what they actually say, but yeah. So in this box, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. I think I only added 1, so I'm gonna do the one that I added last. So first, we have an Essential Day Moisturizer by Ahava. It says it's an Ipsy exclusive, and it's for hydrating the skin. So that's that. You know I love a good moisturizer. It smells really good. That's probably why the whole box smells really good. Then we have a Tarte mascara. It's Surfer Curl Volumizing Mascara for volume. First of all, this picture is giving, I just got extensions. That's what that mascara is giving. Look at that picture. Too bad mine never turned out like that. This is the mascara. Let's take it out the box and see what it's looking like. If I could get it out. Cute little bottle. Too bad my lashes are already done. I forgot to tell y'all. I'm gonna give you story time in a second. That's what the brush looks like. Can't get it to focus, but let's see. Try one more time. So, backstory. One of my friends is certified to do lashes. So, I went to her to get my lashes done. They were so great. But I also wanted to go back to my normal lash lady too, because she does good too. So I went to my friend the first time, and then I ended up just going back to my normal lady. So as you can see, I have started getting my lashes done again. And I'm obsessed. I'm just gonna monitor my real lashes and just pray that nothing happens to them and that they grow and they flourish under the extensions. Anyways, moving on. This is a Hydro Active Eye Cream. Now, every time I get one of these boxes, they give me an eye cream, and I feel as if they're trying to say something about me. Like they're trying to say that I need it or something. Like my eyes are wrinkly or something like that. I don't know, but this one is all like closed up, so I can't even take it out to smell it until I open it, and I don't want to open it just yet. But this is what they gave me. This is Total Regeneration, Anti-Wrinkle, and Brightening. What are they trying to say about me? Because this is like the third or fourth one I've gotten from them. Moving on. This is Nature's Cartel. It is a shimmer lip gloss. First of all, I love the little box that it comes in because I'm obsessed with cheetah print and also the color purple. So like, how did they know? How did they know? Well, this is cute. It is shimmery. It doesn't smell like anything, but I love the way this brush looks. Lately, I've been getting like a lot of lip glosses or matte lip glosses with brushes that look like this, and it's like perfect. Perfect. So that's that. And then we have some eyeshadow that I already told you guys how I feel about them. I don't really know how to use them, but I'm learning. Okay, I guess it's not meant for me to open. It's from Color Boss. It says multi-dimension eye color. The name of the color is New Flash. And I'm trying to figure out how to open this. I don't want to fancy box for an eyeshadow. So that's the color. This fancy case for it though. Came in the box like this, just so you can get the visual. Fancy box for an eyeshadow. Okay, and then last but not least, this is the only thing that I added on because I didn't really like the selection this time. They got it all wrapped up in bubble wrap. This is a night oil, a sleeping night oil. It's by Luna, and it says next generation retinoid oil reduces the appearance of pores and wrinkles while fighting signs of premature aging and premature aging and surface redness. So that's that. I think I actually chose this one because I like oils. I've never used a night oil before. The only other oil that I actually have, like some type of blemish removal oil, I had gotten another one from Ipsy. It was a couple of months ago, and I used it. And I'm gonna show you guys what my face looked like before I started using it. I mean, obviously it wasn't that one thing that changed it, but it was that along with other things. And so I'm gonna show you a picture of the before and after. Like, you see how clear my skin is now. Like, obviously it's not the clearest. That's because I can't get away from these lemonade ginger ales. I'm addicted. But before I got this clear, oh my gosh, it looks so bad.
Oh my gosh!
This smells like it has all types of vitamins in it for your face, which is really, really good. I wish it would show me what's in it, but it doesn't really show me. No worries though. So yeah, that is everything, other than, of course, the cute little baggie that always comes in the box. I've never actually used one of these bags. I've given one away, but I've never actually used it. They're really cute though. So yeah, that's everything. Short and sweet. Nothing for me to really try on. One, because I already have my lashes done, so I can't really put on the mascara. And then two, because I already have lipstick on because I just got off work. So I don't want to put the gloss over top of the lipstick, even though it might be cute and give it a little shimmery, you know, matte, giving like a glossy matte type thing. But nonetheless, I'm not going to do it. The moisturizer, I can't use either. And the eyeshadow, I'm not even about to play with that right now. I'm trying to figure out how to use it. But stay tuned. One day, I am going to do an eyeshadow video so you guys can see. Once I get some practicing, I'm going to show you like the before when I tried it, and then after when I finally get it together. Not going to be today. Probably not this month either. But it will come one day when I feel like trying eyeshadow or playing around or I'm bored. Period. Anyway, thank you for watching. It was a small box this time. Again, my box came late because it's like the 24th and I got my box on the 23rd of July. And I paid for it in the beginning of July. And then shipping took about 10 years. But I'm gonna charge that all to it being Corona time, Corona season, and it's knocking everything back because my box for June was the same way. So yeah, that was pretty much it for this box. Make sure that if you enjoy my lovely videos, the ones about the Ipsy boxes or anything else, you like, you subscribe, you notify yourself so that you know when the next video is coming out, hunty, because you don't want to miss it ever. They're lit. And I have a bunch of other things that I want to do and put out there for you guys, so stay tuned. It's coming, it's popping, it's lit. See y'all later, friends.